Hey everyone! Welcome back to another quick tech fix. If you're seeing this yellow warning icon on your C drive, don't panic. It usually means there's a minor file system issue or drive error that Windows has detected. In this video, I'll show you one of the ways you can fix it easily using the CHKDSK command in Command Prompt. Let's get started. First, click on your Start menu and type CMD. When you see Command Prompt, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is important because CHKDSK needs admin access to fix drive errors. Now, in the Command Prompt window, type this command exactly as shown. CHKDSK C/F/R, then press Enter. If you're asked to schedule the scan for the next restart, type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer. When it comes back on, Windows will automatically scan and repair your C drive before booting up. This may take a while, so be patient and don't turn off your PC. Once it's back on, open File Explorer and check your C drive. The yellow warning icon should be gone. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the yellow warning icon on your C drive using the CHKDSK command. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Windows fixes. See you in the next one.